Hola chicos, hello guys. Bienvenidos a la clase de español. Welcome to Spanish class. I made this tutorial to help you navigate through Google Classroom, help you understand where everything is located, and help you understand where you will be turning in your assignments each week. Google Classroom is the main platform we will be using for our remote class. It is your main source of information. Everything that I post will be posted in Google Classroom. You all will be given a code to join the Google Classroom. Here is an example of one of my classes. The current page we are in is the Stream page. Stream is where you will receive any announcement from our class. Up here, you will see Classwork, which is your most important tab, People, which is the people in your class, and Grades. One thing I want to tell you about grades is that most of the assignments will show ungraded here in Google Classroom. Just because the assignments say ungraded, it doesn't necessarily mean they're not. All your grades I post in PowerSchool. So for your more up-to-date grades, it's best that you go to PowerSchool and go look at your grade book, and that's where you will find your most upgraded information on your grades and GPA or grade point average. Okay, let's go to Classwork. This is going to be your most important tab and where you will turn all your assignments in. As you can see, I have already uploaded some information for you. Here you will find your digital syllabus, teacher information, bell schedule. Bell schedule is really important because during remote learning, you are required to follow your bell schedule. And here are some important reminders for iPad usage and logging information. The second tab here will show you our Zoom link. This is where I will post our Zoom meeting link. It will be the same link you will use every time we meet virtually. The third tab will show you the weekly agenda or work hubs, or as I call it, the class hub. The class hub shows you your weekly assignments, an overview of what you will be doing for the week, and important dates. We will look more into this during our first or second class next week. The fourth and fifth tab will show you the weekly assignment drop box. This is where you will drop all your assignments for the week. As you can see, I have already opened one, which is for week 1, 9/8 through 9/11. Any assignments that need to be turned in will be turned in this section right here, which is your weekly assignment drop box. I will be posting tabs week by week for each week. And you will post each assignment in the corresponding week. And the reason why I have it separated is because this will be for quarter 1, and anything in this section is for quarter 1 grades, and this will be for quarter 2, and anything in this section will be for quarter 2. Remember that this is a semester course, and we would only meet quarter 1 and 2. Okay, guys, if you have any further questions, feel free to email me. Thank you.